Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to turn off auto scroll on Twitter or X. So let's start. We are here on X, and now let's go to the left side in our icon, and then just go to our settings and support. Then let's go to our settings. Here on settings, just scroll down and go to accessibility, display and languages. Just click there, and if you can see, there is the option that says data use. Just click there, and here just go to video, and then just click on video autoplay. Just click there, and just select that you want to never. You have three options as mobile data, Wi-Fi only. It means that if you are connected, the auto video will appear. So we don't want any of these options, so just press never, and that's it. In this way, auto video will be disability on your X. So it's very easy to use. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like the